So in this video, I will show you how you can build an AI voice agent which can book appointments directly to your Google Calendar while managing multiple time zones. There are a lot of videos on YouTube where people have shown how to build an AI voice agent which can book appointments, but I have rarely seen people showing that how you can build an AI voice agent which can actually handle multiple time zones and book appointments. And there are a lot of businesses who work globally or operates globally, and they have multiple clients from multiple time zones and countries, right? So if they need a AI appointment setter or AI voice agent which can book appointments on behalf of them, they want to have a system which can handle multiple time zones. So in this video, I will show you how you can build an automation which can handle multiple time zones. So if you don't know how this AI caller and how this AI voice agent works or sounds, here is a quick demo from my previous video.
Awesome. When would you like to schedule the appointment? Let me know the date and time that works best for you.
Oh yeah, so actually I would like to book the appointment upcoming Monday at 11 a.m.
Got it. Upcoming Monday at 11 a.m. Just to confirm, which country and city are you currently in?
Oh, so I am in India right now.
All right, you're in India. Which city in India are you currently in?
Actually, I am in Bangalore.
Got it. You're in Bangalore, India. Let me confirm everything. Appointment upcoming Monday at 11 a.m. Your current location, Bangalore, India. Let me quickly check if that time is available. Hang tight.
Yeah, sure.
Oh no, it looks like the time you wanted is already booked. But here are the closest available slots for that day. 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Okay, then book the appointment at 11:30 a.m.
All right, let me book the appointment for you at 11:30 a.m. on Monday. One moment.
Okay.
Your appointment has been successfully booked for 11:30 a.m. on Monday. You'll receive an invitation link soon in your email. If you have any other questions or need help, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, Jones.
Yeah, have a great day, Andrew. Bye.
Now, if you are new to the channel and don't know who I am, myself Shivam, and I help businesses to implement AI systems into their business. And if you are a business owner watching this video and you also want to know how this type of AI systems or AI solutions can help you in your business, there is a link in the description. You can book a free one-to-one call with me and we can discuss about that. Right now, you can see that I have the automation in my make.com account, right? And this is actually the second part of my previous video where I have shown how you can build an AI voice agent which can handle property recommendation and as well as book appointments while managing multiple time zones. And on that video I have told that I will show you how to set up this automation which is actually handling multiple time zones on a separate video, because this automation single-handedly will take a significant amount of time to explain, right? So this is the automation. You can have the template of this automation for free in the link in the description. Now before I show you how to set up the modules in make.com, I want to show you the concept behind this automation. So now I will go to my Figma board, and here you can see that I have a workflow setup in Figma, right? Now, so whenever a lead asks to book an appointment for them, the AI voice agent will ask them about their city, current city, country, and the requested time. So after the AI voice agent captures all of this information, it will send all of this information to make.com. Now from here, there will be two separate scenarios for two separate conditions. So first condition is if the caller or the lead is from the same country and city in which the business is located, right? So if that is true, it will go to this path. If not, it will go to this path. So this is the automation, or this is the workflow for managing multiple time zones. So first of all, I will explain you the simple one. So if the lead is from the same country and city, means they are from the same time zone. So first of all, we will use now variable to get the current date and time, and as well as the weekday. So if you are familiar with make.com, you will know that make.com offers the inbuilt variable which stores the current date and time, right? So by using the now variable, first of all we will get the current weekday and the date and time, right? Why we need that? Because if a caller or a user or a lead say that I want to book an appointment tomorrow at 9 a.m. So if we don't know what's the current date and time, we can't define tomorrow, right? So that's why we need the now variable from make.com, and using that we will get the current weekday and the date and time, right? I will show you how to do that by using the modules, but yeah, this is the concept. Then after we get the current weekday and the date and time, we will analyze the requested time. After we have the requested time, we will check our first conditions. So after that, the first condition which we will check is if the requested time is outside of the business hours or falls on weekends or not. So what's that mean? So after we have the requested time, we will check if the requested time falls on weekends or falls on business hours or not. So if the requested time falls outside the business hours or on weekends, the AI voice agent will tell the lead to choose another date and time because that is falling under weekends or outside the business hours. Now if the requested time does not falls on weekends and also in the business hours, the automation will check if the time is available or not in Google Calendar. If the time is available, the AI agent will say that the time is available, would you like me to book it for you? If not, it will check for available time slots within the same day. So if a user say that I want to book appointment on Monday at 9 a.m. and the 9 a.m. slot is already booked, the automation will check for alternative slots on the same date, that means on Monday, right? If the if there is any slots which is available on the same day, the AI agent will offer those slots to the lead or to the client. If not available, the AI agent will tell the user to choose another date. So this is the automation flow for the same time zone clients. Now I will show you what the automation will do if the client is from a different country or city. So first of all, the automation will identify their INR time zone using their city and country. Then it will get the current weekday and date and time using the now variable in make.com, and it also gonna convert that current weekday and date and time into that specific INR time zone, right? After that, it will analyze the requested time in client's time zone. Then it will convert that requested time into that particular business time zone, right? After all of this, when we have the requested time in the business time zone, it will again check if the requested time is outside of the business hours or not, and if it is false on weekends or not. If it is true, then it will tell the user or the lead to choose another date and time. If not, it will again check if the time is available or not in the Google Calendar. If available, it will tell them that the time is available, would you like me to book the slot for you? If not available, it will check for available time slots within the same date. If not available, from here it will tell the user to choose another date. If available, it will offer the available slot on the same date. But before offering them the available slots on the same date, it will actually convert those available slots into that specific INR time zone, and then it will say then these are the slots which is available on that same date, right? So this is the concept behind this automation, right? And now I will show you how you can set up the automation to do all of this stuff. right? Now I will show you how to set up these automations in make.com and how to set up all of the modules. So before that, I want to tell you this upper side of this automation is for the clients who is from different time zones or different country and cities, right? This workflow is for checking the availabilities into the calendar, and this one is to book the appointments into the calendar. And this lower end of this automation is for the clients who is from the same time zone in which the business is located. And as you know that this flow is for checking the availabilities, and this workflow is to book the appointments into the calendar, right? After you have put the router, you have to add filters for each 5 of them. The middle one is for property recommendation. As I said, this is the second part of my previous video. Now I will show you how to set up the modules, because you are gonna have the template from here, so you don't need to build it from scratch. So first of all, I will show you the things you need to adjust according to your time zone. So first thing you need to adjust is the first thing you need to do is you have to set up the credential for OpenAI. If you are using OpenAI, Text Cortex AI is a great alternative if you are testing any kind of automations, right? But if you are delivering an actual project to a client, I will highly suggest you to add OpenAI modules here, and you can copy the prompts from here, right? So first of all, what things you need to adjust. See, I am from India, and we have a single time zone for all over the India, which is IST, right? And which is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from GMT, right? So what you need to adjust here is in this workflow is the filter. First of all, as you are seeing that if I have set up the conditions here, if the caller country not equals to India, so here I put India because I am from India. So here you need to enter your country, I mean the business country where the business is located. And also if the country have multiple time zones for multiple cities and locations, you have to also add another condition where you need to map the city of the caller that shouldn't be equal to the business city in which the business is located, right? So first of all you need to adjust this. You need to drop your own country and city here, right? Same for this filter as well, right? You need to drop your own country and city here. You need to drop your own country and city, and same for this. So this is for the filters, right? Now what you need to do again, the things you need to adjust here is let's see this module first of all. So in this module you didn't need to change anything. In this module, again you didn't need to change anything. After this, yeah, this module is gonna work well. You didn't need to change anything here as well. And here, no, okay, you didn't. So for this first 4 modules of this workflow, you doesn't need to change anything. What you need to change here is for this module. So as I said, I am from India, and I have a single time zone, and I have a single time zone for all over the country, which is Asia Calcutta in INA format, right? So here you need to put your business INA time zone or your client's business INA time zone, whatever the case is, right? And then you need to save it, right? So this is the one you need to adjust. Now what else you need to adjust here is okay, you don't need to adjust anything here. Actually you can also adjust the name of the variable for your better understanding. After this, here again you don't need to change anything here as well. Not here as well. You don't need to change anything here as well. Let me see if there is anything you need to change other than that. Okay, yeah, in this prompt you also need to change the INA time zone. You have to put your own INA time zone here, right? And other than that you don't need to change anything. Then it will aggregate the JSON and output the format. Okay, so the only thing you need to change or adjust in this automation is this module if you are not from India, right? And this module, so not this one, this one. So these are the two modules you need to adjust according. You just have to put your own INA time zone here, right? And you can just set up the whole automation, right? Now for this thing, as I said, you need to change the filter if you are not from India, and if your country have multiple time zones for various cities as well, you also have to put the city here, right? Now if you have any kind of confusion for this automation, or if you stuck in a certain part of this automation, you can join my free Discord community, right? And you can ask me whatever issue you are facing and I will love to help you out, right? So here in the text cortex AI module, you doesn't need to change anything. In the tool, again you need to doesn't need to change anything. Here you doesn't need to change anything. No change is needed for this as well. Again you have to change the INA time zone here, and you can also change the variable name according to your time format or time zone. Here you don't need to change anything, and this is the webhook. Now if I show you this is quite simple. You first of all need to set up the filters, as I said, right? You have to adjust the filters and adjust the city and country. So in this automation you actually doesn't need to change anything, right? This is the whole automation we will get. You just need to set up the credentials for Google Calendar and text cortex AI if you are testing, if you are using it for testing purposes. Other than that you doesn't need to do anything. And for this workflow you just need to edit your country and city, right? So yeah, this is the automation. As I already give you the idea how this automation is working, this is the modules. You can go through the modules by your own and check it out how the thing is happening, right? And as I said, if you need any kind of further assistance, you can join my free Discord community and I will love to help you out. Again, I will highly suggest you to watch my previous video first, then jump into this video, because if you don't watch that video you will not able to understand what is going on in the AI voice agent side. What are the things the AI voice agent is capturing, how the things are capturing, I mean the data types and all of that, right? So first of all watch my previous video which is regarding AI agent for property recommendation, then jump into this video. And as I explain you the concept here as well, you will I think you should not have any kind of issues in setting up this automation. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you want to know how to build an AI caller for a restaurant, you can check the left video on the screen. And if you want to know how to build an AI caller for a dental clinic, you can check the right video on the screen.